Hi, my name is Bal Deo, and known as Bal Deo, or aka Bal Deo. I'm from Deo Studios. We've been around for probably over 2 decades now. So we basically provide photography into the wedding industry, fashion, as well as commercial. I was a painter. I painted a lot back in England. Always wanted to be a photographer or an artist, but father always told me, art doesn't put food on your plate. So I became an engineer. I did my beyond honors and my master's in microelectronics. When I moved to Canada, a friend of mine asked me to just shoot his wedding. I used to shoot photography for myself, more of an art form. And then I shot one wedding, and from that one wedding, I think I ended up with 20 weddings within 6 months. I think it was a natural transition in the sense, being South Asian, it's like religion. When you're born into a religion, you sort of adapt that religion. So in terms of the industry, it just was a natural sort of progression with the fact that the first wedding I shot was an Indian wedding. And then the next 20 bookings I got was Indian, and you just fall into the path. From a photography point of view, as well as I guess other commodities, including makeup, the professionalism has gone from here to there. When I first started in this industry in terms of photographer, there was only 2 brothers, who actually had quality work, and that was Hardy and Bal Deo. Those guys were, I would say, the lead. It's a shame they're not doing this anymore. They've sort of moved out of this industry. But having said that, if anybody wanted to understand what was the sort of benchmark, they would be in the benchmark. And I was very, very closer to those guys. And when this sort of digital world came along, some people adapted to it very quickly, others didn't. You had to sort of gravitate towards what's new and trendy, whether you like it or not as an artist. Now, having said that, there is a lot of professionalism, but at the same time, there is a lot of, I'll use a bad word, garbage. It's certainly taken away the art form out of the industry. And I think, you give, somebody as a makeup artist, you ask them the type of makeup there are, they wouldn't know. You ask these photographers, name 5 lighting patterns. They haven't got a clue. You ask them, what does the word photography mean? They haven't got a clue. It's actually a Greek word. Photography means to paint with light. Right? And they don't understand what that means. If you don't understand what it means, you really cannot do the art form of what you're trying to perform.